Hi, on this episode we're going to be talking about the remote control for the TXSR608. Right, to begin with we're going to be covering the basic functions of the remote control. So if we head up to the top we can actually see the input selector and the remote mode. Right, when we actually press one of the particular input select buttons, it will actually do two things. The first thing will be to switch over to that particular input on the OVR, and then the second thing, it will actually change the remote control to work that particular device and all the functions associated to it. With the remote in receiver mode, the remote control will only work the receiver, volume up and down, setup and DSPs. Then pressing the TV button will actually allow you to control the TV. Here we have the master volume up and down. Here we have a channel up and down, album up and down button. Then we've got the TV volume, power on and off, and input, all for the TV functions. This allows you to control a TV independently of the rest of the system. Also, we actually have a nav button right in the middle, which is the up, down, left, right with the enter key. That allows us to navigate all the menus. The setup button allows us to get into the OVR setup menu. The home button allows for fast access to features such as selecting digital inputs, audio modes, tone controls. So in a nutshell, you get an on-the-fly accessibility without having to go into the main menu setup. The speaker layout button allows for switching between front highs, wides or surround backs, all depending if you're using ProLogic 2Z or Odyssey DSX. The display button has the nice ability to show you what audio and video signals are coming into and going out of the OVR, which comes in quite handy if you're trying to diagnose any issues you may be having. The listing modes or DSP buttons allow for fast switching between sound modes and allows you to quickly set up the DSP mode for a particular source or specific program material. And finally, the Zone 2 button allows you to select a different input and a different volume for a second area, so for example a kitchen or a bedroom.